Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use format cells in Excel. To begin, simply right-click on any cell or selected range of cells. From the context menu that appears, choose Format Cells to open the powerful dialog box. You can also quickly access it by pressing Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. This versatile dialog box is your central hub for customizing cell appearance, offering 6 distinct tabs to explore. The Number tab is incredibly useful for controlling how your data looks without changing its underlying value. You'll find 12 distinct categories, allowing you to format numbers as currency with 2 decimal places, percentages, or various date and time formats. You can also specify the number of decimal places, include a 1000 separator, and choose how negative numbers are displayed, perhaps in red. Moving to the Alignment tab, you can precisely position your text within cells. Choose from 9 different horizontal and vertical alignment options, like center or top left. Wrap text is perfect for keeping long sentences visible, and Merge Cells combines multiple cells into one larger area. The Font tab lets you select from hundreds of typefaces, adjust the size, change the color, and add effects like bold or italics. Finally, the Border tab helps you define the visual structure of your spreadsheets. You can add lines around individual cells or entire ranges, selecting from several line styles, colors, and thicknesses. Apply borders to specific sides, like just the bottom, or to all 4 sides. The Fill tab allows you to add background colors and patterns to cells, making important data stand out with a splash of color or a subtle texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.